Welcome to Real Estate Partners. The housing market, interest rates, and global politics are becoming more connected than ever. To start, existing home sales increased slightly in April, but the broader housing market remains slow and highly sensitive to affordability. Mortgage rates are still elevated, home prices remain high, and many buyers are becoming increasingly cautious with spending. At the same time, sellers remain hesitant to move because of the lock-in effect tied to older low-rate mortgages. Analysts say the market is stabilizing rather than recovering, with slower price growth and more selective buyer behavior becoming the new normal. At the same time, expectations for the Federal Reserve rate cuts are being pushed further into the future as inflation remains elevated and the economy continues showing resilience. Higher energy costs tied to global tensions are keeping inflation pressures active, making the Fed more cautious about lowering interest rates. For housing, that likely means mortgage rates could remain elevated longer than many buyers and sellers had hoped, continuing to pressure affordability and market activity. Meanwhile, global markets are closely watching the Trump-Xi summit in Beijing as trade, technology, and supply chain issues move back into focus. Experts believe the meeting is less about a breakthrough and more about reducing instability between the world's two largest economies. Topics like artificial intelligence, tariffs, rare earth minerals, and energy security are expected to play a major role in discussions. Analysts say the outcome could influence everything from financial markets to inflation and long-term economic confidence. Explore more real estate insights and market commentary at Real Estate Partners.